That's my people from George Street. That song is called Customer Sundays. If you want to know a little bit more, you can go to my gig